Yes.
So today we're going to talk about our 5 favorite things that we have purchased for our full-time life here in this RV. It just keeps going. Why does it keep going? Good morning.
We are here with 5 on Friday.
Yep. Today we're going to tell you our top 5 must-have buys for RV living with a family. But because it's rainy and crappy outside, we're going to stick to the inside, and we'll do another video of things you should buy for the outside. So today we're going to walk you through our 5 favorite things that we have purchased for the inside of our RV. And we've been using these things for about a year now. We love them all and recommend you get all of them.
One of my favorite things that we have had since the beginning is a tub for the children. The little ones still don't really like taking a shower, and they still enjoy bubbles and playing in the bathtub. We found a tub at IKEA that fits in our shower since we don't have a tub in our RV. And the kids can get in there, we can close the door when they splash. It really has been a lifesaver for us because they fight taking a shower. And this way they can have a nice relaxing bath. It's easy for them. They have a little splash time. Next is something I use every day, if not twice a day or 3 times a day, depending on where we are, is our small BLACK+DECKER vacuum. It's handheld because we don't have a lot of space. We don't have room for one that stands up. We just don't have any room for that. This fits in a cabinet when we are underway. It sits on its charging base on the counter when we're stationary. I know I have to bend over to use it, but I can do the whole rig in 10 minutes. This gets in all of the nooks and crannies, and I can get along the baseboards with it, and it's very, very useful every day to get all of the stuff that gets trapped in here.
Alright, my turn. I've got 3 things to show you. First up is one thing that I use all the time. I am the cook, and I also do all of the dishes and stuff, so the one thing that I use a lot is this drying rack. This is a stainless steel drying rack that actually rolls up. So it stores when we're underway. We just put it in the sink with a couple other things to keep it from rolling around. And then when we want to use it, we just roll it out, and you put cups on it and they drain into the sink, or sometimes I'll put paper towels under this end just to catch any water. But this thing has been fantastic. I don't know if I would have had a drying rack like this back in a Sticks and Bricks house just because of the amount of counter space, but here on this island over a sink like this, it's awesome. I love this thing. Next up is one thing that everybody talks about, is the Instant Pot. I use this thing, I think, at least 3 or 4 times a week. I use it for everything from searing and cooking pork loin fillets to chicken breasts. I do rice in here all the time. Quick recipe, if you want to do like white rice, do equal parts rice and water, 3 minutes on high pressure, 15-minute natural release, done perfect, awesome. We just got the non-stick insert because I'm kind of sick of scraping rice and stuff off of the one that it comes with. I think it should come with a non-stick, but we'll see. The only issue with the Instant Pot is it's large. You have to store this thing. It can't just be out. I'm sure some people, it just lives on a counter, and then when they're underway, maybe they put it in a chair or in a bed or something just because it's big and heavy. For us, we have a nice big cabinet down here that it fits in, so we put it down in that cabinet with some other accessories, so it lives down there. So that's really the only downside to this thing, is it's big. Okay, final thing for today's 5 on Friday is another ubiquitous RV accessory. Command hooks. We use command hooks and strips. They don't come in a pack like this, but we've stored everything in one of them. We've got big hooks like this that we hang coats and jackets and hats. We hang, with smaller hooks, we hang keys and our calendar. The kids have them in their room. We have them in the hallway. We have them in our room, in the bathroom, in the living room. We also use command Velcro strips. They are really, really cool. They come in multiples of 2 because what you do is you stick one side on the thing you want to hang, the other side on the wall, and it's like a press fit kind of Velcro. And then when you put something up, it's super easy to just pull it off. So it's like on-demand Velcro anywhere you want. They also have command strips if you want something a little more permanent, where it's just basically a piece of double-sided tape. I don't use the actual command strips on much. They're used for the hooks. You know, they go on the back of the hook here. So this part goes on the wall, and then the hook attaches to that part. You can also use these strips by themselves. I used it to put up our Blink sync module. It's kind of stuck up under the bottom of the cabinet over there. And I also use it to kind of manage some cords with little cord clips and stuff. So these don't get the most use. The Velcro, by far, because everything that we've hung on the walls, all of our artwork, stuff in the kids' room, all uses the command Velcro, and the hooks for everything else. We also have a bin over here by Erin's seat, the theater seating, that holds the controllers, and it holds her phone when she's sitting there. Those things are really handy. I also have one in the bedroom that holds like my wallet and keys and stuff at night when I get ready for bed. Okay, so those are our 5 things for the inside of the RV that we think you should have. Obviously, the tub kind of hinges on whether you have children or not.
Small children.
Yeah, because Erin and I don't really fit in that tub.
Neither does Tara.
Not that we've tried. Have we tried?
No.
No, we haven't tried.
No.
But the rest of the things, the Instant Pot, the command strips, the vacuum for sure, and the drying rack, if you have space for it, you need to get one of these drying racks. Yeah, so links to all of these things will be down below. We have an Amazon store that has all of these things, and go check them out. If you buy things through these links, all of your purchases are private. We don't see what you're getting. The prices are the same as if you had gone to Amazon on your own.
Yep.
But we get a little bit of something out of it. So it's a great way for you to support us if you like the videos that we're making.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the little bell for notifications when these videos show up.
Yep, every day at 2 o'clock. Don't forget to visit us at 5togo.com and check us out at patreon.com/5togo to join our family, get some stickers, join the conversation, get involved in our videos, do some live streams, some patron-only videos and posts. We're trying to do a lot of stuff over there, and we want to build a nice big family to go along the ride with us. So we will see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.